Hello friends, my name is Bob. In this video, I will be asking GPT to create integration problem that can be solved by using integration by parts. The first problem will be a generic problem, whereas the second problem will involve the term sin x. So let's just kick off by asking GPT to create an integration problem that can be solved by using the technique integration by parts. The first question ChatGPT asked me to solve is to find the integration of x squared plus 2x e to the power x with respect to x. So let's just try to see if we are able to solve this problem. ChatGPT asked me to solve the first problem, which is to find the integration of x squared plus 2x e to the power x dx. But before we solve the problem, we first have to understand the integration by parts technique, which tells us that if I were to take a term as u and define a term as dv, so this is equals to uv subtracting away the integral of v du, in which to find my v, I'll integrate the term dv, and to find my du, I will differentiate the term u. For this particular problem, we will define my u be equals to x squared plus 2x, and I will let my dv to be equals to e to the power x dx. To find my du, I differentiate u with respect to x. This gives me 2x plus 2. Multiplying both sides by dx, I get du is equals to 2x plus 2 dx. To find my v, I'll integrate dv, which is the integral of e to the power x dx. This gives me e to the power of x. Once I have found what is my u, dv, v, and du, I can apply the integration by parts formula to move on to the next step. I get the following. My u is x squared plus 2x, and my v is e to the power x, subtracting away the integral of e, which is e to the power x, and my du is 2x plus 2 dx. From here, we will once again apply the integration by parts technique. We let u be equals to 2x plus 2, and then my dv be equals to e to the power x dx. In which next I will find what is my du, I differentiate u with respect to x. This gives me 2, in which multiplying both sides by dx, I get du equals to 2 times dx, making du as the subject. To find my v, I'll integrate e to the power x. This gives me e to the power x. Once I found my dv, v, u, and du, I can apply the integration by parts formula to move on to the next step. The first term, it will be 2x plus 2, and then my v be e to the power x, subtracting away the integral of v, which is e to the power x, and my du is 2 times dx. I open up the parentheses and the square brackets to expand. I get the following, which is x squared e to the power x plus 2x e to the power x, subtracting away 2x e to the power x minus 2 e to the power x plus the integral of 2 e to the power x dx. The integral of 2 times e to the power x dx is basically just 2 e to the power x. And once again, from here, the answer can be further simplified because the second and the third term can cancel out each other, and the fourth and the fifth term can cancel out each other. And the final answer to the integral of x squared plus 2x e to the power x dx as created by ChatGPT is basically just x squared e to the power x plus c. The second question ChatGPT has created is to ask me to integrate the function x times sin x with respect to x. Now let us go ahead and solve this problem. So for this one, we will let u be equals to x and my dv be equals to sin x. To find my du, I differentiate u with respect to x. I get 1, in which multiplying both sides by dx is du is equals to dx. So this is to make du as a subject. To find my v, I'll integrate sin x dx. This is equals to negative cosine x. And now once I found what is my u, dv, v, and du, I can apply the integration by parts formula to move on to the first step. I will get the following. My u is x, my dv is negative cosine x. subtracting away the integral of v, which is negative cosine x, and then my du is dx. So this is equals to the negative of x cosine x plus the integral of cosine x dx. And we know that basically the integral of cosine x is just sine x. And hence the final answer to the integration of x sine x dx is basically equals to the negative of x cosine x plus sine x plus c. So there you have it. I have asked ChatGPT to create 2 integration problems in which I solve it. And you guys might want to try out as well, asking ChatGPT to create new integration problems for you to solve. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like this video, help me press the thumbs up icon and do consider to subscribe for more interesting content. My name is Bob. Thank you guys for your support and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye guys.